Welcome to the 2024 Paascu General Assembly. This year's theme, Learning and Quality Assurance in a Changed Time, underscores the challenge of educational institutions, including quality assurance agencies like Paascu, to be relevant considering the many challenges of the times.
We are happy to announce that this year, Paascu was accepted as a member of the European Network of Quality Assurance, ENQA. This adds to our growing membership in international QA networks.
This change is introduced, as I mentioned earlier, because we need to highlight that Paascu is a non-stock, non-profit corporation. The BIR needs to see this because we are applying for a tax exemption certificate.
After the planning workshop, the proposed Paascu Plan 2025 to 2030 was shared by the commission chairs with the respective commissions for further comments and recommendations. We integrated these recommendations and further refined the plan.
Paascu can always regularly release advisories to its members so that they will just show it to their DepEd. No? If, for example, DepEd is not implementing it as they should, there is an advisory.
Why the paradigm shift? Actually, the paradigm shift happened in the 1990s after the debt crisis that was very global. And the paradigm shift was such because of the rapid changes in technology, which means that you have to shift out of education where you transmit knowledge in classes.
In general, when you talk of accreditation, you really talk of a set of minimum predetermined standards. You even go to certain courses having to be taught, certain percentage, certain degrees. But that is the nature of accreditation. We come into an institution, we check whether they are there.